it is Thursday. So I'm in the pond. This thing is drained down 6 feet deep down there. We've got our boulders set going around the edge here. I'm gonna do a little stack stone wall over there. And the guys have a bunch of boulders prepped. We cannot get a machine in here that gets us close enough. So when we set ourselves checking over here, I can't reach across. So adjusted and everything is gonna be smaller, we can set by hand. Frame rock and spills are in. I'm working on tweaking some of this stuff. The guys are bringing the boulders over. We're gonna get working on this because we have to get this done today. Progress is made. We've got our waterfall pretty well set over there. We've got 3 drops we're gonna have into this. I rebuilt the sides over there. Just things were not looking like they were gonna hold up, so we had to take it all apart. Rain started. As quickly as it started, it might have just stopped, but we're working on adjusting things. We're gonna make this a sitting rock here. We got that as a sitting rock. Waterfalls all built. Pond is cleaned up, refilling. We have our 3 holding tanks set up. They're all chilling out. So tomorrow they get to go back in their home. They're all in here with pumps, aeration, aquatics. What's up, big guys? Lots of big fish. All 3 of these have big fish.